Hi, little chefs. Are you ready to make delicious chocolate chip banana bread together? Keep the remote handy so you can pause as you measure, stir, and become a chef. For this recipe, here are the things you will need from your kitchen. Mixing bowl, frying pan, hand mixer or stand mixer, measuring spoons, measuring cup, scraping spatula, baking dish, oven mitts. Are you ready to get started? These are all of your ingredients. And these are your directions. Let's walk through each step by step. Before we get started, always remember to cook with an adult and let them handle anything hot. Ask an adult to set the oven to 350 degrees. Grease a 9 by 13 baking dish or line with parchment paper. Measure 1 1/3 cups of flour. Measure 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Measure half of a teaspoon salt. Mix together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. Peel 3 bananas and add them to your mixing bowl. Mash the bananas with a fork or blend with a mixer. Measure 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 stick. Heat the butter in a frying pan until melted. Add your butter to the mixing bowl with the bananas. Measure 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Add the sugar to the mixing bowl. Add 2 eggs to the mixing bowl. Measure 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add it to the mixing bowl. Measure half of a cup of yogurt or sour cream. Add it to the mixing bowl. Blend the bananas, butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, and yogurt until smooth. Blend in your mixture of flour, baking soda, and salt into the mixing bowl. With your spatula, fold in the chocolate chips. Pour the batter into your prepared baking dish and spread it evenly. Ask an adult to put the baking dish in the oven. Bake until golden brown, or about 45 minutes. When the adult is removing the baking dish from the oven, they should wear oven mitts. Let your banana bread cool before eating. Time to enjoy. Remember, the kitchen is a place where fun and deliciousness happen, so keep mixing, tasting, and enjoying every moment. If you want to keep buzzing along with us, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Join our Jilly Bee family and let's explore together. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.